Well, letting the chickens out here in the snow. Just put the gate open. They can go out if they want to. Throw them a little bit of some tasty stuff. See, there's a little corn in there and millet and sunflower seeds. It's a little kind of treat for them. All right, ladies, ready? There you go. Step on out. It's a nice day. There you go, ladies. And they'll go inside and they'll dust off if they want to, but we've seen them running around in the snow before. Isn't that right, young lady? Yeah, so we got down to last night. Oh, it went down to freezing pretty quick after the sun went down. I guess today we're just going to get up to 32 about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So it's going to be a bit chilly. And tonight, oh, I think with wind chill it's supposed to go down to 0 or maybe -5 or something. We'll see. Never know. Usually in western North Carolina, if you want to see what the weather is, you go out on the porch and take a look. They do their best to predict it, but it doesn't always work out. Anyhow, it's a little bit windy, so we're going to wrap it up here and let the girls out. They can run around. That's right.